Hey Jake.
Hello, Matt.
This time we are talking about how to express preferences. And we're going to play a little game.
Ooh, a game. I love games. How does it work?
Well, I will give you two options and you have to choose which one you prefer.
Okay, sounds easy enough. Let's play.
Okay. So Jay, would you rather have 3 arms or 3 legs?
Neither.
Well, you've got to choose.
Okay, I guess I'd rather have 3 arms so I can carry more stuff.
Good choice and great use of would rather. Let's look at the structure. You can use would plus rather plus a verb to say what you prefer. And if you want, you can continue the sentence with than. Like, I'd rather have 3 arms than 3 legs.
Okay, I think I've got it. Do I need to use the infinitive with to? Like, I'd rather not to play this game?
No, you don't need to. You can just say, I'd rather not play.
Okay, and do I need to use than?
You only need than if you're going to continue the sentence.
Okay, I think I understand now.
Great! So today we learned how to express preference using would rather plus verb.
Okay, my turn.
Great, go for it.
Okay, so Matt, would you rather only eat mayonnaise for the rest of your life or sweat mayonnaise whenever it was hot?
Well, I don't want to answer that one. I hate mayo and I don't sweat. Does that mean I win?
I don't think you've understood the rules of the game. Hello there! Hey, if you enjoyed that, you'll enjoy lots more at e2school.com. Check out the website, and also if you haven't yet done it, hit the subscribe button.